Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create task templates for recurring workflows in Todoist. This is an essential skill for maximizing your productivity and streamlining your work processes, so let's get started. First up, open your Todoist application and navigate to the project where you want to create your task template. The reason we start here is because task templates are often project-specific. It helps us to keep everything organized and aligned to specific goals. Now that we've done that, it's time to create the tasks involved in your workflow. You do this by clicking the Add Task button and writing out each task you want to include in your workflow. This is a crucial step because the tasks you create now will form the basis of your task template. Remember, these tasks should be actions that you'll need to repeat frequently. Once you've created your tasks, the next step is to save this as a template. You do this by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of your project, then selecting Export as a Template and choosing the As File option. The reason we do this is because we want to have a reusable template that we can import whenever we need to perform the same set of tasks again. Let me explain why this matters. By having a predefined task template, you're essentially creating a workflow. This will save you the time and effort of manually creating each task again and again. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Next up, you want to store your template somewhere easily accessible, like in a dedicated folder on your computer or in the cloud. This will make it easy for you to locate and use your template whenever needed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each time you import your template into a new project, Todoist will automatically populate the project with the tasks defined in your template. Finally, to use your template, simply go to a new project, click on the three dots in the right corner, select Import from Template, and select your saved template file. Your tasks will be populated automatically, allowing you to get to work without any additional setup. And there you have it. A quick, easy way to create task templates for recurring workflows in Todoist. By using these templates, you're streamlining your process and making your work more efficient. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, work smarter, not harder.